Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Android 17 early access on your phone. So you're going to follow the steps and I'm going to show you how you can get Android 17. So I have a Google Pixel 7a and this works on all Google Pixels. So and the phone is on Android 16. So the phone I have is on Android 16 and I want to update it to Android 17. So all you're going to do is open your browser and you're going to search for Android beta program so that you can enroll in the Android beta program. So you're going to search for Android beta program and you're going to place on the first link that comes or the first website that comes up, and it's there. You're going to place on it and you're going to enroll your device. So after that you place on devices, and after placing on devices you're going to scroll down. You're going to see the device you're logged in and you're going to place on opt in. Me, I had already opted in, and all you have to do is place on that blue button which says opt in and you agree to terms and conditions, and then you're going to be able to update to the latest version. So now when I go to settings, you just open your settings and you go to system. So now when I go to system and I go to software update, you're going to see that I'm given a prompt of Android 17. So I'm able to download Android 17. I'm just going to place on download so that I download Android 17 to my phone. This is going to take some time because it's a big file. It's around 4 GB depending on the phone you have. So I'm going to download Android 17 and install it on my phone. It's a straightforward process. You don't need any attachments or any laptop or anything. After downloading, I'm just going to place on install and it's going to take a few minutes to install, and after installing, that means I'm going to be able to have Android 17 on my phone. So it's a straightforward process. Right now it's done installing, and if I go back to settings and I check for the Android version that I'm at, I'm Android 17, and they are going to keep on bringing new features. So the version we are getting right now, it's not the complete version or the finished version of Android 17. And you see, if I check for the Android version that I'm at right now, it's going to bring Android 17 and it has new features. So I'm going to be making more videos on the new features you get on Android 17. As you see, the camera features that were added, the new Gemini AI features, the basic features, navigation features. So we are getting a lot more features on Android 17. The phone is getting even smarter and better and nice to use, making everything accessible and nice to use. So that's how you can get Android 17 on your phone. Thanks for watching.